Well, the battery's about dead, but I just wanted to do this little video right here because I'm in a little bit of a pickle, but that's alright. But a lot of people wonder what you make off of YouTube, all the good videos and all the money I've saved off people from all the years that I've been on YouTube. This year I've had fewer views. I mean 374,000 views. I've made zero money. As a matter of fact, you can go back ever how many years I've been on here and I've made zero. I don't make nothing. You don't make anything on YouTube. So if somebody jumps up and says, hey, I'm getting a killing off of YouTube, they're bullshitting you. I'm telling you this right now. I've helped a lot of people, and that's what I got on here for, was to try to help, with my redneck ass, try to help people. And I have, and I'm glad for that. But as far as getting rich off of YouTube, they never gonna pay you nothing. There it is right there, boys and girls. 0.00. I've never gotten a dime out of these people. Don't expect to get any either. Later, Gators. Love y'all, mean it.